Roots family, wagwan. Yeah, man, welcome to the Herbalawes channel here on YouTube. Yeah, man, the channel where we grow traditional herbs for tea. Yeah, and right here, you're looking at a French thyme. Yeah, this is a vervain, this is a French thyme. And I did a video about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, where I propagate the French thyme plant. Yeah, and it's time I want to show you exactly what it looks like. Here, this is so beautiful. Yeah, man. This plant is called ramgoat dashalang. Ah, this plant got its name, you know, back in the days when a goat feed on this plant, it would give them energy. Yeah, allow them to dash along. That's how this plant got its name. Yeah, man, so ramgoat dash along. Roots family, we get some rain, overnight. Yeah, water still on the plants. Yeah, it's an amazing feelings. It's an amazing vibe, because I know, yeah, that when rain fall, yeah, it's medicine to the plants. Yeah, medicine to the plants. Beautiful vervain. Yeah. Yeah. So when rain fall not to harbor mosquito, you have to turn over the containers that catch water. Yeah. Pomegranate. Yeah. A fruit that is packed with vitamin C. Yeah. It good for man health. Yeah, man. Prostate and all. Thunder roaring. So Roots family, if you are here a long time, yeah, this is a traditional herb called fever grass, lemongrass. And as the name suggests, fever grass, yeah, it aids with benefit that help with fever. Yeah, this sprouting, yeah, out of the plant again after harvesting. With its beautiful aroma. Yeah, trust me. Its distinct smell. Yeah, man. It make an amazing tea. Yeah. Basil over here reminds us that we need to relax. It reminds us that, even basil find a root when the time is right. Yeah? It reminds us to trust the process. Yeah, the plant reminds us to trust the soil. Yeah, it reminds us that, yeah, rain will fall. And rain don't fall on one man's house top. Yeah, it reminds us that's also sun will shine again, you know. Yeah, even though the clouds are out, but sun will shine again. Yeah, man. This is the bloom, and this is the fruit, pomegranate. And as I said earlier, it helps with man health. And we start off the video, yeah, by talking about French thyme. Another traditional herb, another herb that carries a distinct smell and an amazing flavor. Yeah, that when you put this in your soup or whatever meal, trust me, it gives it an amazing vibe. You know, and I said I did a video 2 weeks ago propagating this plant. And this is what it looks like now. You know, I propagate both plants. And as I said in that video that, yeah, propagating this plant is very, very, very easy. Yeah, man, very easy, very easy. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, man, French thyme. Roots family, what have you been up to? It's September month. Yeah, we're getting a lot of rain, not only in Jamaica, but other parts of the Caribbean. So we are enjoying the moment. Yeah, man. The plants are enjoying the natural rainfall. Yeah, and the plants are looking beautiful because of the natural rainfall. The vegetables are doing fine because of the natural rainfall. Yeah, and the sun, yeah, allows them to stay green and pretty. Yeah, man, amazing, amazing. So this morning is all about giving you an update on a previous video where I propagate, yeah, the French thyme. Yeah, so I decided to give you an update on that video. Yeah, man. Yeah, the rain allow these plants to be beautiful. Yeah, man, the beautiful French thyme. The beautiful vervain. Trust me. Amazing. Roof's family are soon have to remove these out of the pots and put them in the soil. Yeah. Jamaican dog blood. Tulsi. I talk about this already. Did you know that spinach helps with bone health? Yeah, man. You know now. Yeah. If you like if you like this video so far, share it and subscribe. Yeah, man. Share it and subscribe. Yeah. Share it and subscribe. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Ram goat dash along. Yeah. I hack up the soil here so recently. Yeah. Because the rainfall, I have a lot of mosquito, you know. Yep. This is a small pomegranate tree. Yeah. Ooh. Banana tree doing well, you know. June plum in September. Yeah. So who can pick these and make some juice, you know. This is a passion tree running up this locust tree, you know. Yeah. Got a lot of passion from it, you know, for the first time around. Yeah. Amazing. So. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Another herb with smell and amazing flavor. Yeah, man. Yeah. This is another French time, you know. My basil plant's doing well. Doing so well, you know. Give thanks for rain, you know. Give thanks for rain. Boy, me and the bird them fight for the ackies. But I guess them have to live, you know. Guess them have to live. Yeah. Guess them have to live. They're all a part of the ecosystem. Yeah, man. The singers of nature, you know, the birds.